guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn how to transfer a YouTube channel into another email. So first of all you have to click on your profile icon. After that you have to click on the YouTube Studio button. Now you can see different options here. You have to click on the setting button. After that click on the channel button. And then click on the advanced settings button here. And after that you have to scroll all the way down, and now you can see other settings. First one is manage your YouTube account, and second one is remove your YouTube account. So first of all we have to click on manage YouTube account. So click on it. After that you have to scroll a bit down, and then now you can see an option here, add or remove manager. Click on it. And now you can see manage permission option here. Click on it. After that now you can see add button here. Click on invite new users. After that you have to write your email here, whatever email you want to transfer your YouTube account. So let's add the email. After that now you can see in a button here, choose a role. Click on it. After that click on the manager, and then click on the invite button. Now it will send an invite to the email, and then you have to accept there. So let's check invite. So let's check the invite. You will get this kind of invitation email, whatever email you have added. So let's click on the accept invitation. Click on it. And then again click on the accept. So now you can see we have successfully added our second email. And then if you want to transfer your channel, you have to click on this button, and then after you have to click on the primary owner. So let's click on it, and then you have to click on the transfer button. It will transfer your channel to that email. Now you can see it will take 7 days. Now it will take 5 to 7 days to transfer your YouTube channel on the second email. I hope you guys understand the video. If you guys like the video, please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon and follow for more videos. See you guys in the next videos.